Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix your Perplexity AI login issues. This is super useful if you can sign it with your Google, Apple, or email, or if Perplexity keeps refreshing or getting stuck. So you do have to make sure that you're using the latest version of the Perplexity website or app because login behavior can change with updates. Let's get started. So yeah, I'll be explaining you how, and yeah, the first thing that you will have to do is you will check your Perplexity server status. Before anything else, you can go to Google or search for Perplexity AI status, or you can just look for status dot perplexity that AI, and then just wait for it to load. And yeah, as you can see, if the servers are all down, all you can do is basically just wait. And as you can see, the performance right now, it's really good. But if it's not for you, then you just gotta wait for it. And you could also do this, which is you can go to your settings, to your web settings. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is basically go to your history or go to clear browsing data, which is right here. And what you will have to do is you will just have to click clear browsing data, and then uh, you will check cache images and files, and then you will just have to click clear now. And yeah, that's it. And if that doesn't work, you could also use incognito mode. And then yeah, after you, and then you could try logging in again, and if it works in incognito, then your extensions may be blocking Perplexity. So you could also turn off your extensions if you do have those. So what you will have to do is just click disable, so that you will be able to disable all of your extensions. And yeah, those are basically the solutions for this. But you could also try another device, because sometimes the issue is local. So you can try logging in on your phone, another browser, another network, another device, or whatever works for you. So yeah, that's basically how you can fix Perplexity AI login issues the easiest way. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.